Now I am going to teach 12th standard physics lesson number 2 numerical problem number 12. Two cells each of 5 volt are connected in series with 8 ohm resistor and 3 parallel resistor of 4 ohm, 6 ohm and 12 ohm. Draw a circuit diagram for the above arrangement. Calculate the current drawn from the cells, current through the each resistor. Two cells, each cell 5 volt is connected through resistance R4 in series. R4 equal to 12 ohm. Then R1, R2, R3. R1 4 ohm, R2 6 ohm, R3 12 ohm connected in parallel. So from the questions, resistance R1 equal to 4 ohm, R2 equal to 6 ohm, R3 equal to 12 ohm are connected parallel to the resistance R4 equal to 8 ohm. The cells each 5 volt connected in series. So calculate the current drawn from the cells, the current through each resistor. First we are going to find the effective resistance in parallel. So effective resistance in parallel 1 by Rp equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So substitute the R1, R2, R3 value in this equation. 1 by Rp equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12. So 1 by Rp equal to, take LCM, 12, 3 4s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 1 12s are 12. 1 by Rp equal to 6 by 12. So cancel 2 table, 6 table, 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12. So 1 by Rp equal to 1 by 2, Rp equal to 2 by 1, Rp equal to 2 ohm. Now the effective resistance in parallel connected in series with 8 ohm. 8 ohm and 2 ohm in series. So effective resistance in series Rs is equal to R4 plus Rp. So R is equal to 8 plus 2, Rs is equal to 10 ohm. Two cells are connected in series. So total EMF of the cell E is equal to Z1 plus Z2. Z equal to cell 1 value 5 volt, cell 2 value 5 volt. So total EMF E is equal to 10 volt. Current drawn from each cell V equal to IR. V is represented E equal to IR. I equal to E by Rs. So I equal to E value 10 volt, Rs value 10 ohm. So current drawn from each cell is 1 ampere. Potential difference through 8 ohm resistor is V equal to IR. V equal to current I 1 ampere, resistance 8 ohm, so 8 volt. Potential difference through 2 ohm resistor in parallel. V equal to IR. V equal to current I 1 ampere, resistance R 2 ohm, 2 volt. Current through 8 ohm resistor. V equal to IR. I equal to V by R. V 8 volt, resistance R 8 ohm, so 1 ampere. Current through 4 ohm resistor. I equal to V by R. V 2 volt, resistance 4 ohm, 1 by 2 0.5 ampere. Current through 6 ohm resistor. I equal to V by R. V 2 volt, resistance 6 ohm. Cancel 2 tables, 1 by 3 equal 0.33 ampere. Current through 12 ohm resistor. I equal to V by R. V 2 volt, resistance 12 ohm, 1 by 6. So I equal to 0.166 ampere. Next, problem number 14. In a potentiometer arrangement, A cell of EMF 1.25 volt gives a balance point or 35 centimeter length of wire. If the cell is replaced by another cell and the balance point is shifted 63 centimeter, what is the EMF of the second cell? So from the questions given, EMF of the cell E1 1.25 volt, balancing length L1 equal to 35 centimeter. So centimeter is converted into meter. So 35 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meter. The balancing length L2 63 centimeter. 63 centimeter is converted into meter. Centimeter is 10 to the power of minus 2. So calculate the EM of the cell 2. By using potentiometer formula E1 by E2 equal to L1 by L2. Rearrange this equation. E2 is equal to E1 to L2 by L1. Substitute the known value. E1 value 1.25, L2 value 63 10 to the power minus 2, L1 value 35 10 to the power minus 2. So cancel the 10 power minus 10 power minus 2. We obtained E2 equal to 2.25 volt. So EMF of the second cell is 2.25 volt.